everyone, hey, thanks for joining me today. Today's recipe, I am making a chocolate cherry coffee blast. Now this only has about a half a cup of coffee in it, so not too much, and it has lots of antioxidants. We're using some frozen cherries and some cocoa powder, along with some cocoa nibs or cacao nibs, however you want to say it, and just one date for a little bit of sweetness, and I think you're going to love the flavors. The cherry and the chocolate combo is really nice. So I'm Rockin' Robin, and I'm going to show you how to make it right after this. So here we go on our ingredients. First off, we're gonna need some coffee, right? We wanna have it chilled and ready to go. So what I recommend is that you check out my video on how to make French press coffee. It's super easy. You can make an individual serving and try this out. It works great. So I'll leave a link for you in the description of this video, so be sure and check that out. All right, so we'll need about a half a cup of that. We'll need a date, which I cut up a little bit just to give my blender a break. We'll need a little bit of almond milk, some cocoa powder, vanilla extract, and my cherries. Now I bought frozen cherries that are already pitted. These are dark cherries and they are wonderful. We'll need some cocoa or cacao nibs. I got these at Trader Joe's and they really are delicious. This is a garnish that we're gonna just put right on top. And we'll need a little bit of ice. So all we have to do is put everything into our blender. I'm gonna start off with the coffee here. I like to do all my liquids first, and then I can see how much ice I need to add, because I like my little blast to be on the thicker side so that my little cacao nibs will float on top and not sink to the bottom. Here goes our almond milk. Next up is a half a teaspoon here of some vanilla extract. The vanilla really adds something to this, guys. You'll really enjoy it. Here's our cocoa powder. Now I'm going to toss in the date. And that gives it just the right amount of sweetness, let me tell you. Next goes the cherries and the ice. Now, when you're blending this up, if it gets too thick, you can always add a little bit more almond milk to get the right consistency. All right, guys, that's it. And here we go. This one is not too thick, but I think it's thick enough. Like I said, you can adjust it with your ice. Then I like to just sprinkle some of these guys right on top, and hopefully they float so you can see them. And they are delicious. You're gonna love these. All right, guys, that's it. Try my chocolate cherry coffee blast. It is delicious. That cherry chocolate combination is wonderful. You're gonna love this. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for taking time out of your day to watch it. And if you really liked it, please share it. I appreciate that. So thanks again. If you haven't subscribed, be sure and subscribe to my channel by clicking that link right up there or down below the video, and you'll be notified when new videos come out. So leave me a comment and we'll see you next time in the next video.